Hi everyone, it's Tanya and welcome to today's video. Today is the 7th day of Koreadathon, and for this last day I wanted to share with you my recipe for one of my absolute favorite Korean dishes, which is Dak-Galbi. Now, a small disclaimer, I am no expert when it comes to Korean cooking. So this recipe is just how I make this dish, but it's still delicious and it's still good, and I hope you will try it at home. So highly recommend it, and yeah, let's try and make it together. So to prepare Dak-Galbi, you don't really need a whole lot of ingredients. Basically, for the food itself, all you need is kukuma, which is sweet potato. You need some cabbage, and of course chicken. And also, if you like, you can add some cheese on top later. For the sauce, you will need gochujang, which is chili paste, spicy chili paste, soy sauce, some garlic, some ginger, and some sugar. So these are basically all the ingredients you need. If you can find some rice cakes, Korean rice cakes, those also go together with this everything very well, but I couldn't find them, for example, today. That's why it's okay, we will not include them. First up, spicy chili paste, and for this recipe you will need approximately 4 tablespoons. Next, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, you will need to prepare minced garlic. So you will need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You might already have garlic paste, or you can just mince garlic by yourself. I am doing it myself, and it can be a little bit more than 1 tablespoon. Next up, ginger. You will need to mince it, and the amount is approximately 1 teaspoon. One tablespoon of sugar, and some black pepper. and the paste, the sauce is ready now. Next, let's prepare chicken. You just need to chop it into bite-sized pieces. Next will be sweet potato. You just need half of a full potato. Just peel it and then cut it into slices. Next up is cabbage, and you will need 1/4 of a full cabbage. Chop it into not very small pieces. And then you can add everything to the frying pan. First I would prepare sweet potato because it normally takes longer to prepare, and then when sweet potato is soft you can add chicken and vegetables. Then in the end, don't forget to sprinkle some cheese, if you like cheese. Because Dak-Galbi with cheese is the best. And this, my friends, is what the deliciousness looks like. It's very good. I really like this food. So this is what the final product looks like. And there you have it, guys, the recipe. I hope you will try it out at home. I hope you will enjoy it. Hope it will be delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to apologize. I'm sorry I couldn't prepare 2 videos for the past 2 days because I was working. I had to work, so I couldn't film. But I hope you enjoyed all the 4 vlogs that I had for Koreadathon and this today's cooking. So it has been fun. I will do the same for Reading Rush in a week, so I will also just go explore Tokyo and read books with you. And as for the book that I was reading, Hankan, this will be in my next week video, you will see it there. So I will talk about that book in that other video next week. You will see. Okay, so now I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are having a very good day, staying safe, and I will see you soon in the next videos. Thank you so much. Bye.